Welcome to your MyFairfax portal. MyFairfax is your home to conduct key online transactions with the county. This is an ongoing customer service initiative to provide you with faster and easier access to your county information in a secure environment, where residents can easily access their personal property car tax and real estate tax information. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a MyFairfax portal account and add a vehicle to your profile. If you're also interested in learning how to add a real estate property, be sure to stick around until the end. To get started, first open your browser and in the search bar at the top, type in fairfaxcounty.gov/MyFairfax and hit enter. This will bring you to the MyFairfax login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password, then click Log On. If you are a new user and would like to create an account, you can register by clicking on Enroll Here right below. You should now be on the MyFairfax account creation page. To register, begin by entering your personal information. Create a unique username, then enter your first and last name, along with a valid email address. Once all required fields are completed, click on Submit Registration to continue. Here, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen stating, "Your MyFairfax account was created successfully." At this point, a confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Please open that email and click on the second link to continue the account verification process. This link will take you to the MyFairfax password update page where you can create a unique password for your tax portal account. After entering and confirming your new password, click Save. You will then be directed to the Create Passkey page. Creating a passkey is optional. If you prefer to proceed directly to your account, simply click Login at the top of the yellow box to access your newly created account. After clicking Login, you'll be taken to the main MyFairfax login screen. Here, enter your newly created user ID and password, then click Log On. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Add Apps page. To connect your tax portal, click on the icon with a $sign labeled Tax Portal. This will add the tax portal to your account. You'll then see a loading screen confirming that the tax portal has been successfully added to your account. On the white loading box, click OK. This will bring you to the My Apps page, where the tax portal is now visible. Click on Tax Portal again to begin adding a property. You'll be asked to specify the type of property you'd like to add. If the vehicle is for personal use, select Individual. If it's for business purposes, select Business. Below that, you'll see options for the type of property. To add a vehicle to your account, choose Add Car Tax Account to the tax portal. The final step on this page is to enter your DMV customer number, which can be found at the top of your Virginia driver's license. Then, enter the last 4 digits of your vehicle's VIN. Click Continue, and you'll be taken to the main page of your tax portal. Congratulations! You've successfully created your MyFairfax portal account and added your vehicles. If you'd like to learn how to add a real estate property from here, continue watching till the end. From your tax summary page, hover over the real estate tax section and select Add Real Estate Parcel from the drop-down menu. Once selected, you'll be taken to the real estate tax page. Here, enter your current year web control number and tax map reference number, both of which can be found on your tax bill. After entering the information, simply click Add to complete the process. You have now successfully added a real estate property to your MyFairfax portal account. From this point forward, you can view and pay your vehicle and real estate taxes and access previous tax records, all from one convenient and secure location. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to create a MyFairfax portal account. For more information, visit the Fairfax County Tax Administration website or reach out to our office at the contact information displayed here.